In this video, I'm going to show you how to change English language preferences in Grammarly quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want Grammarly to match the style of English you actually write in, whether that's American, British, Canadian, Australian, or Indian English. Getting this setting right can help Grammarly give you more accurate suggestions, better spelling corrections, and a writing experience that feels much more natural. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and make sure the Grammarly extension is installed and active. You can use this in Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or Edge, as long as the Grammarly browser extension is available. Once you're on a page where Grammarly is running, look up to your browser toolbar and click the Grammarly icon. This will open the Grammarly pop-up window where you can access your account tools and writing preferences. Now inside that pop-up window, look for the settings gear icon. Click that gear icon to open Grammarly's Preferences menu. This is where you can change the behavior of the extension and customize it for your writing needs. After the settings panel opens, find the language section. In this section, Grammarly lets you choose your preferred English dialect. Depending on what you need, you can select American English, British English, Canadian English, Australian English, or Indian English. Choose the option that matches the type of English you use most often. For example, if you write for a US audience, American English is usually the best choice. If you're writing for the UK, British English will make more sense. Once you select your preferred language, Grammarly will begin tailoring its suggestions to that version of English. That means spelling, word choice, and grammar recommendations should better match your chosen dialect. This can make a big difference if you switch between styles or work with clients, schools, or businesses in different regions. After selecting the correct language, close the settings window and your preference should be saved automatically. You can now continue typing, and Grammarly will use the English variant you selected as it checks your writing. If you ever need to change it again later, just click the Grammarly icon, open the settings gear, and adjust the language preference the same way. So that's how you change English language preferences in Grammarly in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Grammarly guides you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.